Hello guys and welcome to another episode in Race&Tune. I'm Vic and today we're going to finish up the Camry. So we're going to install the lower part of the grille, the plastic piece where the halogen fog light usually is located. We're going to put the bumper as well and replace the rear tail light because it was a little bit broken as well. So we have all the parts, also the fender liner. We're going to install that as well and put everything together, and hopefully we can finish it in this episode. We're not going to paint the fender or the bumper. We're gonna leave that for another video. So yeah, let's get to it right away.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
able today to put the bumper in. The lower grill did not fit a lot. We might be returning it and getting a new one, but I'm not sure on that. But we were able to mount the bumper. The fender is ready, the headlight. That's it pretty much. Okay guys, apparently it got a little darker, but we still have to replace the left tail light, so we're gonna go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, now it's time to put the fender liner. fender liner attached to the inside of the fender, and everything looks good. So what we're gonna do now is just put the tire and lower the car.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry.
Alright guys, so obviously it took us a couple of days to finish this job. We put the fender and the fender liner, and we aligned the bumper, and as you can see the bumper is on right now. The headlight unit is fully functional as well. So that's it pretty much for this episode. We're gonna wrap it up over here. So please comment down below if you liked it or not, give any suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and the like button, and I'll catch you guys next time.